The EDC is very supportive and excited about the Founders Forum. The reason is that it's that one countywide organization that really embraces the spirit, the collective knowledge of the entrepreneurs of Brevard County. They're driven by entrepreneurs, they think like entrepreneurs, and their action plan is reflective of that. We're very proud to be a part of the Founders Forum because when jobs are created in the economy, they relocate, they expand, but also they start up. And this is the way that's really zero focusing on that important sector of the economy.
It's a great organization to be involved with if you're a business owner or you're even thinking about being a business owner, because there's great education, great networking, great people that you get to know and meet and find out sort of the best practices in business from some of the people that have lived the lessons and are down in the trenches doing it every day.
I want to tell you right now that it's the most important thing we have in Brevard County, which is the people and the businesses, the entrepreneur. That is the lifeblood of Brevard County. We need them, we want to encourage them, and we would like to bring everyone possible to the realization that this might be their future. This is their future of their own business.